This is kind of cool. This is the street has Beco de Carapinha. Beco de Carapinha. So let's kind of check out how cool this street is right here. It's just a tiny little alley, and it's not too far from this main road over here. And this one right here, this is called Travessa de Saudade. So there's Travessa de Saudade. Got all kinds of cool stuff everywhere. But we're gonna check out this one. Let's go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, Beco de Carapinha. This is kind of the angle from that side, and then this is the angle from this side. You can kind of see A, B, and then both of them have the street sign right there. Same thing. And then we're gonna go check out this little alley. Oops. So we're gonna check out this little alley right here. Just kind of see what it looks like. So it looks like we got some pretty old buildings in this area. That one might be even an abandoned one. So these little becos, they're like little tiny little streets. You can see how small they are, and then they're gonna end right at the end here. Then you can kind of take a look up, and it goes all the way up, and then there's like a rooftop apartment up there too. So each one has its own little style. And now we're kind of at the end, and now we'll turn around and take a look at it from this angle. So it looks pretty cool. So now you kind of got this, so you got this kind of architecture too, which is pretty interesting. It's like a little salon right there, tiny little salon. Looks like a salon. Edificio. Yeah, it looks like this building looks like it's maybe condemned or something. This one looks like it's an abandoned one, so there's nothing in that space. And then this one looks like it's all mold and dripping water and things like that. So let's head back on out. So Beco de Carapinha. So now we're back at our main street right there. That's the main street that way. That's our little alley, and that goes all the way down that way. So I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna head back down this way and just kind of show you how Beco de Carapinha is connected to the main street. So let's walk down that way and check it out. So this is a little one way. There's lots of little alleys that go in, like this kind of stuff. This is a patio de saudade. It's kind of a cool looking place too. And this is going to come all the way out to the main street right here. And over there you can see a waterway. But right in this space is a main street. So these main streets, you have all the stuff that a main street would have, and then you also have our little alley that was off the alley of this one. So okay, hope you like that one.